Hello, and a highly diddly there on my neighboring on some reports. I'm Morgan Morky. This is going to be one of my Jamaican blogs, whatever the hell you are. This is like my third time doing this. This is my third attempt making this video because first attempt was, of course, my practice one. Not like for one. The second time, I meant to press the switch, like the camera, but I accidentally pressed stop. So, see one of my funny vlogs. So in here, the white one in here is called Snowball. If you do see, yeah, right there. And the dirty one is called Dirty Harry, because I could play a joke of, And then the black and white one in here is called, it's called Spot. Because and then the right one in here is called Bugs. No wait, the right one in here is called the White Rabbit, because of Alice in Wonderland. The brown one in here is named Chocolate, because Then this one in here, he is Bugs. There was a rabbit in here, but I don't know where he is now, or she. And it is thundering. No rain yet. I was gonna check the weather, but I'm like, I should make it's the little playground they have here. This is better. Oh, almost fell to those. This is better than their old one, because their old one was all just see the dirt over there was just all dirt. It was like, can we play? Then yeah, but they painted the rocks here. They had some stuff in the kids' club, but over there's the other resort. But it's thundering out. The rabbits are hating this. Aren't you, Bugs? It's good little bit. I'm just gonna call them all girls. Don't judge me. Okay. So yeah, a little basketball court. But this is just gonna be my little animals blog. I will kind of it, but shuffleboarding. I know. Tennis court. I mean, I'll do a tour in another video, but okay. There are a bunch of lizards here, so and then in here you can see the last I threw in. Where is he? Oh, he's really shy. In here is Sheldon. Is that his head? I don't know. I call him Sheldon because of a shell. I'm just gonna call him Shelly, but that, I don't know, it just sounds too weird. Maybe I should bring out a goat. Oh, there's I think a fish. No, that's just a... If you're wondering what the joke about the goat is from Jurassic Park, where the T-Rex wouldn't come out. Okay, all those droplet thingies, that's not from the rain. That isn't even rain. You can see that. I think this is blue skies. I don't know. These are just all these little fish going around eating little particle stuff. Is that him right there? Is that Sheldon? Can't tell. No. So here's some lettuce I dropped earlier, so. Weird. Shannon's always, he doesn't always come up, but he may be shy, he may be thinking it's a storm coming, but... Oh, there he is, there he is! There's Sheldon. So I'm going to leave this video off here. So remember, live long and prosper. May the force be with you. And how do you turn this damn thing off?